Hey, so why do I always start with a so or record? Hello guys, I'm come back with a long period of time. Yeah, I'm come back with a long period of time. Welcome back to my channels. I'm come back with a long period of time. So. Please don't say so. How about you call me Kofi Kinata? Well, just I definitely need some pruning. I need some pruning. Mostly the first 1 minute, you can just, but I still need some pruning. We will, so let's look at what we're looking at. Let, don't you know, be serious. You cannot build a factory, you cannot build a company, you cannot build a system like this. Pay attention, focus on what you are doing, right? You see, we have to work on our mind because what is inside my mind is what I'm bringing out. So you can just imagine how things are in my mind. So another so again, another so again. What are we working on? Right. So it's a don't say right. So it's an embedded system project. We group 32. We are working on a smart car parking guidance device, right? So yes, that's what we're working on. A smart car parking guidance device. So the driver is trying to park a car. He can't. They struggle sometimes trying to look at the mirrors and everything. So we are making this system. We're making systems already. The system is everything, but we're making this device that will help them. Right? It will have these devices at the rear of the car and then on the dashboard too. Our system will, will be built with an ESP32 microcontroller and then two ultrasonic sensors. We are making it basic. Permit me to use basic this time. We Is this still basic? Is it advanced? Advanced microcontrollers and then ultrasonic sensors. So this is how the system is going to be. It will be two ultrasonic sensors, sorry, two, not four, two. One at the left side, one at the right side, at the back of the car, right? And then they will have wires on each one coming to the ultrasonic sensor. No, coming to the main unit, which is the ESP32. The main unit will look like a dashboard because we call it the dashboard. We will call it the dashboard. It will have an LCD screen. I don't know what would display on the LCD screen. Maybe we can display time when you're not using it, and when you're using it, you can display distances. Distances on the left, distances on the right. Cool. And then we'll have these LEDs at the sides to also depict the how close or how far the rear is from an obstacle. We'll design a case for it, we will do the electronics for it, and then we'll do the programming for it. We also have to do an app around it because we can. Because we can. No can no can. Because we can. Right. What is the app going to do? We can make it just copy whatever is on the dashboard. Right, just copy whatever is on the dashboard, and maybe that's good because I don't see how you use a mobile app for car parking. Well, you can use, if you don't want to use the dashboard, you can just use a mobile app. So our system can just send you everything, and then you use the mobile app, and then that would be cool. Maybe a web app. That's what we're building, right? So we'll do the design, we'll do the builds, and then we will assemble, and then we'll be done. The target is to finish it in a week, but we are in like the fourth week already. So let's see, but we should have a target. So it's Tuesday, Monday. So let's give ourselves a week. A week we'll go through every step of the process, and then we'll get it done.